Who's knocking at the door now, Lover? Oh, it's the possum. What does he want again? Oh, I gotta go. Oh, he wants more. What are we gonna do, Lover? We're gonna feed that possum? Alright. Let's give him some food. I can't believe he's knocking at the door now. I just gave him food. Hey, get back here. Food. Now he's happy.
Possum come a-knocking at the door, at the door. Possum come a-knocking at the door. Granny was a-sitting and a-rocking and a-knitting when the possum come a-knocking at the door.
That should keep you for a while till I go back in, get you some more stuff. But clean up that spot too. When you're done eating, clean it up. Okay. I gotta go.